Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The English Academy. In this video, we will learn the correct pronunciation of the word that is displayed on your screen. Stay with us throughout and get ready to improve your pronunciation skills. Before we move ahead, please like, share and subscribe to The English Academy as it motivates us to bring more such videos. Let's take a look at the spelling of this word. Martydom. Its correct pronunciation is martyrdom. 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 Martyrdom refers to the state or condition of being a martyr. It is the act of sacrificing one's life or enduring great suffering for a cause, belief, or principle, often related to religion, politics, or a deeply held conviction. I hope you have learned the pronunciation of martyrdom easily and you will pronounce it correctly from now on. For more such videos, please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. We will meet again in the next video.